Imagine this. You're out DJing a wedding or you're at an event and the floor is packed and there's a lot of things going on and you're in the moment and you're mixing, all while your business is booking new clients, scheduling consultations, and following up with your leads, all without you having to touch a thing. Sounds crazy, right? That's exactly how I thought until I ran into GoHighLevel. And in this video, I'm going to show you some automations to help put your mind at ease and help you be able to scale, because it's not like you could be everywhere at once. So before I was able to figure this out, my business was a mess. Of course, I had a lot of leads slipping through the crack, being able to follow up with people. And it's all about having the right CRM and being able to keep in touch with your leads and your clients so that they feel at ease when they went ahead with your service, right? So I was literally trying to answer client texts while I was DJing with other events. Not only does this look unprofessional, but it made me realize that I just couldn't be everywhere at once, right? I needed a system. My business would fail if I wasn't able to tie all the loose ends that we have in all these different directions. So the big discovery, when I found GoHighLevel, I realized it was a done-for-you type service where it would just handle all these incoming leads, and then you wouldn't have to focus so much on keeping in touch with everybody, stopping what you're doing, answering the phone, breaking concentration on what you were doing to begin with. And honestly, it wasn't even that much to get started. It's $97 a month, and if you guys find the information in this video useful, make sure to hit the thumbs button, click some of the links, and I even got a 30-day free trial for you to check out. And I know the systems work because I was able to take my DJ business and then grow it, right? So one of the most major features that GoHighLevel has is a text back feature, and you can check this out. You go into the settings, phone numbers, additional settings, and then voicemail and text back. And this is kind of crazy, right? So if you're on stage and they miss a phone call, basically it'll call them or text them back and say, hey, look, we're busy. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Or you could train the AI to answer questions that somebody may have, which is super exciting. So it's like having an extra person on hand, even though you can't be everywhere at once. And another automation that I found kind of cool is that you could take your AI bot and then train it. So if you go over here to conversational AI, which is under AI agents, conversational AI, and then you can create different bots and then train it how you want it to work. So if I go over here and hit the edit button, all these different things, right? You can have it on, you can take it off if you want, or you can put it on autopilot and then select it to all the different outlets that people may be getting to you or maybe texting you, right? Instagram, Facebook, SMS, chat widget, live chat, and WhatsApp app. So there's so many different things that are capable within the GoHighLevel platform. And of course, if you're at an event or on stage, you won't be able to do all these things if you're preoccupied. And then also, right, how much would you be spending to have a person answer the phone or send text backs if you had to pay for somebody 9 to 5, right? Or getting a virtual assistant? The AI will be able to help fill in those gaps for times that you're not able to be able to stop what you're doing and give somebody else your full attention. And then of course, over here, you can link it to your calendars. So let's say someone calls you up, they can talk to the AI, and I'll leave a number down below if you want to see how it works, that you could just call that number and schedule an appointment, and then we could sit down together and I can show you all the other things that it does. So that's just a few things that GoHighLevel does that you won't. It's like having an army of computers working for you so that you can scale your business and keep your clients and leads at bay. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. I'll leave some links down below. And again, I was able to build my business multiple 6 figures throughout the years, and I wouldn't be able to do it without a good CRM. I'll catch you on the next one.